Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2020 Aprilia Tuono V4 1100 factory. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This 2020 Aprilia Tuono V4 factory, with 25,824 miles, passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs well. It comes equipped with ABS, traction control, cruise control, a quick shifter, and electronic suspension, and has been upgraded with an EFI module, an aero exhaust, LED turn signals, grips, adjustable levers, and rear spool sliders. Powered by a 1077cc V4 engine, the Tuono puts 217 horsepower and 90 foot-pounds of torque through a 6-speed transmission. With a 4.9-gallon fuel capacity, the Tuono has a 100 to 140-mile range. It has a 33.5-inch seat height and a 450-pound wet weight. Scrolling through the mechanical condition report, we can see passes on each part of our comprehensive inspection. We measured this bike's charging output at 14 volts, the front tire at 230 seconds and the rear at 430 seconds. We took this bike for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. We've posted the service repair order for this bike, so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this bike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There's a scratch on the rear fender. This bike has 2 keys, a clear title, and we have purchased a CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This bike has been through our Select program. It received an inspection, repairs, detail, and comes with a 30-day, 1,000-mile powertrain warranty. For additional program details, please review the program and warranty section in the listing. We offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades. At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.